We'll guide you through how to download and install mods on The Sims 4. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over to Pausa, who's going to continue with the guide.
Before we get started, keep in mind that mods are only available on PC and Mac version of The Sims 4. If you are playing on consoles like PlayStation or Xbox, mods are not supported. Now let's jump right in. The first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and open any web browser to your liking. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then browse and visit a trusted Sims 4 mod website. One of the most popular website is the Sims resource. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type the Sims resource, and after that I'm just gonna go ahead and go inside the Sims resource. And once you are on the website, browse through different categories, or just go ahead and use the search bar to find the mod that you are looking for. You can find everything from hairstyle and clothing to furniture, gameplay improvement, careers, and much more. So let's say I want to download this particular mod. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it, and now you'll see an option for download. Just go ahead and click on that, and now you'll see your download is being prepared. So just go ahead and click on download, and now your download should start automatically. So if your download does not start, just go ahead and click here. But as for me, it successfully started. So once the download is finished, just go ahead and open your file explorer and then navigate to the downloads folder. And here you will see a package file has been successfully downloaded. Depending on the creator, your mod may already be a .package file, or it may come inside a zip or archive. If it's a compressed archive, just go ahead and right click on it and choose to extract all. Now it's time to install our mod. So just go ahead and open another file explorer. You can do so by just right clicking on your file explorer and choose file explorer. And now your another file explorer will successfully open. Now here, just go ahead and navigate to the documents folder, and here you will see a folder for electronic arts. Just go inside the electronic arts and go inside the Sims 4 folder, and then here just go inside the mods folder. In here, simply drag and drop your downloaded package files into the mod folder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click once on the download file explorer, and then just go ahead and left click and drag and drop it inside of the mods folder, just like so. If your download included multiple packages file, move them all inside of the mod folder unless the creator especially says otherwise. Once you have copied your files over, just go ahead and launch the Sims 4. In my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and open Steam app, and then here just go ahead and launch the Sims 4 app, and now you will see the game is successfully launched. And now when the game starts, you may see a pop-up listing the custom content and the mod that have been detected. If you see your newly installed mod on the list, that's a good sign that everything has been installed correctly. After that, you can just go ahead and click on OK. If you don't see the pop-up, you can still enable mods manually. Just go ahead and click on the three dot at the top right, and then here just go ahead and go to game options. From here, just go ahead and go to other, and here make sure enable custom content and mods is enabled. After that, just go ahead and click on apply changes and then restart the game. The restart is required before the settings take effect. After the game loads again, your mods should now be active and ready to use. And that's basically it. You now know how to download and install mods in Sims 4. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.